Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to remove a contact from favorite on Huawei P60 Pro phone. To do this operation we have to go to Phone, next to Contacts, and our contact is favorite, added to favorites, so we just have to uncheck it, and now it's gone from our favorite lists. Alternatively, a little faster, we can go to the favorite lists, hold the contact and just use remove, and the contact is gone from our favorite lists. And that's simply it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.